Alright, I'm ready.
Wait, keep talking.
Yeah.
Recording.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, so right here, this is where we send the ball down. Right here down this ramp, and it makes contact when it hits right there. It makes contact with those two, pushes that black one to make contact. And then once it does that, it'll wait 1 second, enough time for the ball to get down in there and sit on those two contact plates. And when it does so, if it's glass, then the motor will go one way and then come back another until it hits the magnetic switch right there.
Okay.
There's the magnetic and there's...
So that's a position sensor,
Yep.
basically. Okay.
And if
If it's a steel marble, we have 2 copper plates down there, and the steel marble will make a connection between those, switching them out so it goes to the right.
Okay. Well, let's do the glass one first.
All right, here we go.
Nice. Now the steel. Oh,
Okay, we'll do the steel one again.
do the steel one again.
It's 99% accuracy.
So it's gonna work this time.
You just witnessed a rarity.
Good. It just wasn't probably resting on those
Yeah.
caps. Do the steel one again. Nice. And then the glass one.
I'll go. Hey, I'll go. Yep.
Nice. And just for one more time with the steel. Excellent job.
Ooh.
I'll go.
Ooh.